kids! Children, it is so much fun to read O-sound words. In today's class, we will look and read O-sound words. Many of these words you have learned and read in the previous class also. The first word is top. Top. After top is dog. Dog. Cot. Cot. Let's look at the other picture. Pot. Pot. Now, let's see this B-O-X, which says box. Box. You can see a picture of an animal. Which animal is this, children? It's fox. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Now, look at this boy. Boy. Who has a toy. Toy. T-O-Y. Toy. The next picture is cord. Cord. Look at this rod. Rod. R-O-D. Rod. Now, let's see this dot. Dot. The next picture is of a cop. Who is cop, children? Cop is a policeman. Cop. Cop. C-O-P says cop. Log. Log. L-O-G says log. Hop. Hop. Just like a kangaroo. Kangaroo never jumps. Jumps मतलब होता है कि आप एक ही जगह पे खड़े होके jumping करते हैं. But hop is when you jump from one place to another. Look at this girl. She hops. Hop. H-O-P. Hop. The last word is hot. Hot. The soup is hot. Very good, children. In today's class, we have tried to form few sentences or few phrases with these words. I hope you will remember them and keep on reading it. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye.